Which are the best nutrients for plaque in arteries? Stay tuned to learn the nutrients you need to rid plaque, how they work, how much to take and more. What is plaque? Plaque is a sticky, yellowish substance that builds up in the arteries. It consists mainly of fat, cholesterol, calcium, and other substances found in the blood. Over time, plaque can harden or rupture, leading to a range of cardiovascular problems. This buildup is called atherosclerosis, which narrows and stiffens the arteries, restricting blood flow and potentially causing heart attacks or strokes. What is the impact of plaque for health? The presence of plaque in the arteries poses significant health risks. As arteries become narrowed, the heart has to work harder to pump blood through them. This can lead to high blood pressure, angina, which is chest pain, and other cardiovascular diseases. In severe cases, a piece of plaque can break off, causing a blood clot that can block blood flow to the heart or brain, leading to heart attacks or strokes. Furthermore, reduced blood flow due to plaque buildup can lead to peripheral artery disease, affecting the limbs and causing pain and mobility issues. What are the types of plaque? Plaque can be categorized into two main types. Stable plaque. This type has a thick, fibrous cap and tends to grow slowly. While it can narrow the arteries and reduce blood flow, it is less likely to rupture. Unstable plaque. Characterized by a thin cap, this type is more prone to rupture. When it does, it can cause a blood clot, leading to severe cardiovascular events like heart attacks or strokes. Understanding the types of plaque is crucial in managing and preventing serious health issues. How can Pycnogenol help with arterial plaque? Pycnogenol, an extract from French maritime pine bark, is renowned for its potent antioxidant properties. It helps to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the arteries, thereby preventing the formation and progression of arterial plaque. Pycnogenol enhances the production of nitric oxide, which helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, reducing the risk of plaque buildup. The recommended dose of Pycnogenol for cardiovascular health is typically 100 to 200 mg per day. However, it's essential that you always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. How does Gotu kola aid with plaque? Gotu kola is a medicinal herb known for its vascular health benefits. It enhances blood circulation, strengthens blood vessel walls, and reduces inflammation, all of which help in preventing and reducing arterial plaque. Gotu kola's role in promoting collagen production is beneficial in maintaining the elasticity of blood vessels. For cardiovascular benefits, the typical dosage of Gotu kola is 180 up to 450 mg of the extract per day. Again, consulting your trusted healthcare provider is recommended for personalized dosing. What are the effects of vitamin K2 for plaque? Vitamin K2 plays a crucial role in calcium metabolism, directing calcium to the bones and teeth while preventing its deposition in the arteries. By preventing arterial calcification, vitamin K2 helps in reducing the risk of plaque formation and maintaining arterial flexibility. The recommended daily intake of vitamin K2 varies, but a common dosage for cardiovascular health is around 100 to 200 mcg per day. Consultation with your doctor to determine the optimal dose for your individual needs. How can nattokinase help with arterial plaque? Nattokinase, an enzyme extracted from natto, which are fermented soybeans, has potent fibrinolytic activity, meaning it helps break down fibrin, a protein involved in blood clot formation. By promoting blood flow and reducing clot formation, nattokinase aids in preventing and reducing arterial plaque. The typical dosage of nattokinase for cardiovascular benefits is around 100 to 200 mg per day. Remember to seek personalized advice from your trusted healthcare professional. How does niacin help with plaque? Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, is well known for its ability to lower LDL cholesterol, known as the bad cholesterol, and increase HDL cholesterol, also known as the good cholesterol. By improving the lipid profile, niacin helps reduce the formation of arterial plaque. It also has vasodilating properties, which improve blood flow and reduce inflammation in the arteries. For cholesterol management, the recommended dose of niacin can range from 500 mg to 2000 mg per day. It's essential to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it under medical supervision to minimize any potential side effects. What are the main sources of these nutrients? Pycnogenol. This nutrient can be found in supplement form, derived from the bark of the French maritime pine tree. Gotu kola. Available as a supplement, Gotu kola is also used in teas and herbal extracts. Vitamin K2. Found in fermented foods like kefir, natto, grass-fed butter, certain cheeses, and available as a dietary supplement. Nattokinase. Primarily obtained from nattokinase supplements are also available. Niacin. Found in foods such as poultry, fish, and legumes. It is also available in supplement form. Including these nutrients into your daily routine can significantly impact your cardiovascular health, helping to reduce and prevent arterial plaque. Combining these supplements with a healthy food plan, regular exercise, and routine medical checkups can optimize arterial health and overall well-being. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, reducing plaque from arteries is essential for maintaining cardiovascular health and preventing severe complications such as heart attacks and strokes. Plaque buildup, composed mainly of fat, cholesterol, calcium, and other substances, narrows and hardens the arteries, leading to atherosclerosis. This condition restricts blood flow and forces the heart to work harder, significantly increasing the risk of various cardiovascular diseases. The impact of plaque on health is profound. It can cause high blood pressure, angina, and peripheral artery disease, leading to pain and reduced mobility. In severe cases, plaque can rupture, causing blood clots that may result in heart attacks or strokes. Understanding the types of plaque, stable and unstable, is crucial in managing and preventing these serious health issues. Various nutrients have been identified as beneficial in reducing arterial plaque and improving cardiovascular health. Pycnogenol, an extract from French maritime pine bark, stands out for its potent antioxidant properties. It reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, enhances nitric oxide production, and improves blood vessel health, all of which contribute to preventing plaque buildup. The recommended dosage of Pycnogenol is typically 100 to 200 mg per day, but personalized advice from a healthcare provider is essential. Gotu kola, a medicinal herb, is another effective nutrient. It strengthens blood vessel walls, enhances blood circulation, and reduces inflammation, helping to prevent and reduce arterial plaque. For cardiovascular benefits, a dosage of 180 to 450 mg of Gotu kola extract per day is generally recommended, but consultation with your healthcare provider is advisable for personalized dosing. Vitamin K2 plays a crucial role in calcium metabolism, directing calcium to the bones and teeth while preventing its deposition in the arteries. By preventing arterial calcification, vitamin K2 helps maintain arterial flexibility and reduces plaque formation. The recommended daily intake of vitamin K2 varies, but a common dosage for cardiovascular health is around 100 to 200 mcg per day. Nattokinase, an enzyme from fermented soybeans, exhibits potent fibrinolytic activity. It helps break down fibrin, a protein involved in blood clot formation, promoting blood flow and reducing clot formation. This, in turn, aids in preventing and reducing arterial plaque. The typical dosage of nattokinase for cardiovascular benefits is around 100 to 200 mg per day. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, is well known for its ability to improve lipid profiles by lowering the bad cholesterol and increasing the good cholesterol. It also has vasodilating properties, improving blood flow and reducing inflammation in the arteries. For cholesterol management, the recommended dose of niacin can range from 500 mg to 2000 mg per day, with gradual increases to minimize side effects. These nutrients can be sourced from both foods and supplements. Pycnogenol is derived from the bark of the French maritime pine tree and is available in supplement form. Gotu kola can be found in teas, herbal extracts, and supplements. Vitamin K2 is present in fermented foods like kefir, natto, grass-fed butter, and certain cheeses, as well as in dietary supplements. Nattokinase is primarily obtained from natto and is also available as a supplement. Niacin is found in poultry, fish, legumes, and supplements. Incorporating these nutrients into your daily routine, along with maintaining a healthy food plan, regular exercise, and routine medical checkups, can optimize arterial health and overall well-being. So, by understanding and utilizing these powerful nutrients, you can take proactive steps to reduce arterial plaque, improve blood flow, and enhance cardiovascular health, ultimately leading to a healthier and longer life. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, Please be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.